Pranam, today we are going to learn about the Bhramari Pranayama. What are the benefits of it? What does it mean? Who should do it and who shouldn't do it? What is the right technique? So now let's get started. First, what is the meaning of Bhramari Pranayama? There are two words, Bhramari and Pranayama. The first word, Bhramari, has been taken from Bhramar, which means hummingbee. Now the word pranayama is taken from pran plus ayama, which means the regulation of breath. Collectively, we translate it to hummingbee pranayama. Now, which ancient text mentioned this pranayama? So, Hatyo Pradipika, Ghanan Samhita, etc. mention this pranayama. This pranayama is very effective in the current era because we are living in the world where sound pollution is a prominent factor. Here, sound pollution is causing a lot of trouble. We are getting a lot of illnesses, hearing problems, and a lot more. Similarly, we are also seeing a surge in negative sounds, the bassy music, the meaningless sounds, meaningless songs. Here, it's okay to hear those songs, but it is not okay to feed our brain constantly a negative vibration. So we need to provide our brain with positive vibration because whenever we feed our brain a positive vibration, it feels strong. This is why even when we listen to bass music, we feel strong. So Bhramari Pranayama is a very natural and very effective way to improve our brain function. Moving on to benefits, the Bhramari Pranayama has a lot of benefit, including one of the research claimed that Bhramari Pranayama is very helpful in relaxing the cardiovascular health. That means our heart relaxes whenever we practice Bhramari Pranayama. And if we include Bhramari Pranayama into our day-to-day lifestyle, then our heart is going to get relaxed and it will function very well. Furthermore, Bhramari Pranayama is also very effective in calming our mind, calming our anger. So, if you have any behavioral issue, you are very likely to get angry, you are very likely to experience agility, then you should refer to Bhramari Pranayama. Also, if you have psychosomatic diseases such as stress, anxiety, depression, or anything of similar symptom, then you can practice Bhramari Pranayama and you will feel instant relaxation after practicing Bhramari Pranayama. If you have heard some news, something that is bothering you, then you can start with Bhramari Pranayama and after 5 minutes or after 10 minutes, you will feel very relaxed. You will feel that your state of mind has been improved ever after practicing Bhramari Pranayama. Now, coming to one of the recent studies, here in this study, it was included that the universe is having a sound of hum. In the Bhramari Pranayama, similarly, we are practicing the sound of hum. So, we are creating a sound, a positive vibration which oscillates with the entire world. So, let's learn about the precautions next because before practicing pranayama you should know that which thing is right to do and which thing are not right to do. So first is, can pregnant women do it? They can do it, but this vibration will be very slow, very mild. We are not going to feed our baby, the mother, with a very harsh level of vibration. So we are going to keep vibrations to a mild level. Next, how should you do it? Should you keep your stomach empty or you should keep your stomach full? The ideal state is you should keep your stomach empty. However, if you are a bit of full, then you can do it. But again, the preference is on the empty side. Now, let's next thing is, if you have any issues with your back, then what should you do? Then you can do it while sitting on a chair because people who are in their senior age may have some issues with their knees, in with their lower back, with their cervical. So in that case, it is better to practice it on a chair. Now let's start with the technique. So there are two techniques. One is with Shanmukhi Mudra and the other technique is without Shanmukhi Mudra. So the basic technique does not have Shanmukhi Mudra. The advanced technique have Shanmukhi Mudra. What is Shanmukhi Mudra? Shanmukhi Mudra is derived from the word seven gates. So here we have seven gates. We close these seven gates. Seven gates. What are these seven gates? Seven gates are two ears, two eyes, two nose, and our mouth. That doesn't mean we are going to forcefully close them. We gently place our hands on them so that we can restrict their movement to a minimum extent so that we can feed more vibrations to our body. In the first technique, we are going to sit in Sukhasana, a simple cross-leg sitting position, and here you can practice your mudra, any mudra of your choice. Now keep your neck and spine straight and you can close your eyes. Start with inhaling deep and long, and with exhalation we will try to create a sound where we are going to feed our body with the maximum vibration. You can choose any mantra of your choice, or you can simply create a sound of hum, or you can choose a sound of om. Whichever method you find suitable, you can practice it. Now let's practice. So inhale deep and long. Now the second or more advanced technique. Here let's practice Shanmukhi Mudra. So first close your earlobes, then place your index finger on your eyes, just gentle touch, and again the middle finger on your nose, just gentle touch, and rest fingers on your lips. Again inhale deep and long. So these two are primary techniques of Bhramari Pranayama. There are multiple more techniques, but these two are the most beneficial techniques. In the second technique, you will find the vibration more prominent. Therefore, if it is suitable for you, you should practice it with Shanmukhi Mudra. Now, how many times should you do it? So there are about 20 to 30 vibrations in first round or in a round. So practice it 3 to 5 rounds of 20 to 30 vibrations each. Therefore, after practicing this, you will feel a sense of calmness. Even after practicing for only 1 or 2 times, I'm experiencing a freshness, a serenity in my body. Lastly, I would request you to practice it with deepest breathing. Here you can use abdominal breathing, you can use 3-part breathing, and if you don't know what they are, then you can watch our previous videos where we have shown what are these techniques. Lastly, you can watch this video. In this video, we have shown alternate nostril breathing or Anulom Vilom Pranayama. I hope you will practice this, and if you have any doubts, any queries, you can write it down in the comment section below. Stay healthy, stay fit, have a sigh of relief.